In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to find competitor backlinks for SEO outreach in 2026. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. This is where you'll access your SEO optimization workspace and begin researching the backlink profile of a competing website. Make sure the page is fully loaded so all the search and navigation tools are available before moving on. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the primary search bar. In that field, enter your competitor's website domain. You'll want to type in the root domain carefully so the platform can pull backlink data tied to that website. This step is important because the quality of your results depends on searching the correct domain. After entering it, allow the tool to load the associated data and prepare the report. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and find the section labeled Backlinks under the link tracking area. Click that tab to open the backlink analysis view. This is the section that reveals which websites are linking to your competitor, and it's one of the most useful parts of the platform when you're planning a link building strategy. Give the page a moment to populate the report, especially if the domain has a large backlink profile. Once the backlink report appears, begin reviewing the link metrics table carefully. Your goal here is to identify high domain authority websites that are already linking to your competitor. These are valuable because they may also be relevant opportunities for your own outreach. As you analyze the table, pay close attention to the authority signals and the overall quality of the linking sites rather than just the number of backlinks. This helps you focus on prospects that are more likely to improve visibility and credibility. After you've identified the most promising websites, export the list of target site URLs. This gives you a working document you can use for outreach and campaign planning. The purpose of this export is to help you contact relevant sites and request resource or reference link additions in a structured way. Keeping the list organized also makes it easier to track who you plan to reach out to and which sites appear most worthwhile. That's the full process. By using Ubersuggest to review a competitor's backlinks, analyze authority, and export quality targets, you create a much more focused SEO outreach workflow. Take your time reviewing the data, stay selective with the sites you target, and use the results to support thoughtful, relevant link building efforts.